Remove double blue arrows from your icons in Windows 10. Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove double blue arrows from every icons on your folders on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to remove the double blue arrow from every icon on your Windows 10, you just need to follow some process. The very first thing is you need to open up your main files and folders on your device. Just head over to the files and folders onto your desktop. After that, open it up, and here, if you have zipped any of the files, you should be able to see that blue arrow thing. So here, in order to undo it or uncheck the blue arrows, you're just gonna go to the files here on the same file that you want to remove it from. After that, you're just gonna right click on it, right click on the folder, and go to the properties. After going to your properties, just wait for a bit, and here under properties you'll be able to find different options. You're just gonna go to advanced. After going to advanced, here you'll be able to find another option. So here you can see this compress condense with check mark. You're just gonna go and check it. After that, click on OK, apply, and OK, and your blue mark should be unchecked. Same goes for folders as well. If you want to do it directly on one folder, you're just going to go on with the same process, and your blue mark should probably be unchecked after that. So therefore, just follow that process and you should be able to remove the blue mark from your icons on Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.